Alright, now we're going to make you make the model dialog. So after we choose a make, we'll show a model dialog. It'll be the same code basically, except we're just passing the make. So yeah, we can basically copy fetch makes and parse makes. We'll just change it to fetch models, parse models. Of course, we need the model class. I'll go ahead and create the model class now. So go to right click on lib, new, and then Dart file, and then models for the class, and then we'll use the let me move this out the way. Okay, so yeah, this is get models from make. So I'll leave the link to this in the description, but here's the URL I used, and I just entered Honda for this, as you can see right here. So we just need a basic example of the JSON, so for the JSON converter to work. So we'll name this models, generate Dart. We'll have to change results to model results since there's already a results class in the makes class. So copy Dart code to clipboard, and we'll just copy it right here. And so we'll change results to model results. Everywhere results. I don't like to do a big search and find, so that's just what I do. There's not too many of them. I mean, you probably can. I just don't. I just like to be careful. We can leave this as results because it's just part of the JSON. Well, we actually have to, because that's what the JSON is returning. So all right, is that it? Yeah, it wasn't that much. We could have used the global search and replace, but yeah, let's go back to my home page. We need to import models, that's why it's giving the error. So we'll do fetch models, change this to the string I have in the Google Doc. So we'll do models from JSON. So we'll go ahead and import models. And okay, so parse models right here. Yeah, it returns. Okay, yeah, that's right. So models as a return type of make. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it doesn't. Oh, I'm tripping. It sure does have a return. Okay, sorry. So we'll just use this string right here for the get models, fetch models. I'll actually leave comments here. Yeah, we'll copy this just so we kind of have a clear idea. So we'll just copy that string from Google Docs. So we just didn't copyright. Maybe from when I was copy the make and model stuff. So yeah, we need to pass the make to this fetch models class, and You don't have to put the variable type, but I'll do it. So yeah, parse models. So another thing we need to check is basically if on the, where is it, show dialog, we need to, or yeah, long pressed. So so we need to make this button non-clickable because it might have crashed if you tried it in the other video. So I'm not sure, but so we need to make this non-clickable. What am I doing? Okay, I'll press so until we load the make strings. So the make string length is not 0. So what this is basically saying is if this make strings length equals 0, make on press null, else call this call everything in this. It's not highlighted in these brackets. So which is the function. We can make it a whole another function actually, but yeah. So yeah. So that will, I'll just show that off real quick before we get to the model stuff. Save it, rerun it. So it'll be basically grayed out. I'm gonna call it set state. Okay, yeah. So that's what it is. I need to call after we get the strings, I need to call set state. So actually we put all this code. I was wondering what was up. Okay. So that's all we need. We'll rerun that. Actually, I'll rerun that so you can see it from scratch. So see, once we got the makes, it's clickable now, so we can choose a make. So now we'll make a make dialog or model dialog class. So right click on lib, begin new Dart file. So model dialog, and so it's the same code as make dialog really. So I'll just do it from scratch just for more practice. So state, just start typing STFUL. You just press enter once you see it right there, and just type model dialog, and you see it fills it in for you. Press enter, and it automatically takes you to the container. It's complaining right now because you need to import material, or you can import Cupertino too. But yeah, that's a later episode, I guess, video. All right, so instead of returning container, I'm gonna return dialog, and then yeah, so we need to pass data to it. So pretty much the same code. So we're gonna do a list view builder, item. We need the item builder, item count, all of this. So yeah, so the child of dialog is list view builder, and we also need to pass data to it. So I'll just copy this just to make it a little faster. We'll name this to model dialog. So name this to model strings, model callback. So model strings. I thought it would autocomplete for me. I guess not. So model callback. So yeah. So the child for this is going to be a list view builder. And the item builder takes context, which is a build context. You don't have to write I don't like it like this. Let me see. So yeah, so you don't have to write the variable type, but I'll just do it so it's more clear. I'll do it in this, in the model dialog. So it's a build context, I believe. And that's just the integer. And it's giving us a little complaint because you have to return something. So we'll return first we'll do item count. Oh wait, no. Yeah, do item count above that. So it'll be widget dot model strings dot length. So then right here we'll return list tile. So the child will be, or a title. It's a title. It'll be a text of model string. And we'll write that in a minute. So you can format it in Mac. I think it's Command Shift L. Or I forgot. You can right click also. Reformat with dot format. I forgot. Maybe because that's the error. I don't know. But so yeah, we're right. Under item builder, we'll do var model string. Need that variable. So equals widget dot model strings index. So that's all we need. We need to make the callback. So we also need to do the on tap. So we'll do we'll pass the model string to the model callback. So we'll pass the model string, not the strings, just the one we're showing or the one we tapped on, and then we'll do navigate to close this dialog. We'll do navigator.pop. It needs a build context. So and I don't think we haven't created the button yet, so it'll be the same code.